this is how we build a show currently. We fill up DDR1 with all of our media. And then let's say our show open here, which is just the graphic open. You can see it playing up here in the video area. And then it goes to, a wipe. And then we fade to one of the cameras. Okay, either camera 1, 2, 3, or 4. So we have macro set up. The start show macro, when this clip plays, it puts preview in 3, or 3 in preview. DSK2 it sets to input 25. DSK4 sets to buffer 15, and it also turns DSK4 off. When this clip ends, in the end macro, it takes camera 4, which is actually a fade. It puts the DDR to the next video, cues the next video. DSK25, it turns it on, and DSK4, it turns on. DSK25 is our graphic channel. DSK4 is our bug. So then when we go to a story, we have a button on our switcher called Take Story, which puts DDR1 in program, and it also plays it. And then it turns off the graphics so that we don't have any lower thirds or anything like that. It remains on the screen. The bug stays on. And then the macros on this clip are very basic. It just puts preview DDR1, mutes mic 3, which is actually all of our inputs for audio because they're all coming from our mixer, and turns DSK2 off. And then at the end of this video, we'll go to the next video, which will play the next video, like advance to it and play it. We have some videos, like the T's, when you get to the end of the block, they will change the input of DSK4 to DDR2. It'll play DDR2, advance to the next DDR1, and also turn DSK2 off. And then some of our videos will go back to the anchor, go down to the end. So some of them will go take camera 3 to the program row, mic 3 up, previews the next DDR, and DSK4 and 2 get turned on and set to the correct inputs. So are these things that similar macros setup that we can build into these salvos of Carbonite and Tria?